Yeah. He's dangerous. Well, you're the one who hooked me up with the site in the first place. Well, what did you think? Buying and selling shrooms are already a fucking felony. And this, I'm doing a public service with this. Why can't you see that? He put Autumn back on the streets. Hopefully she didn't pick up any new habits. She wasn't a good friend. She didn't deserve that, much less to be held at gunpoint. Are you going to tell someone, Clyde? Just at least give me the courtesy of that. I need to know that. Thank you. You're a good friend. Oren will never hurt you again. I gotta go. Bye.
You know, I model sometimes. You can take a picture if you really want to stare.
Oren, you know I went down to the leasing office, right?
Yeah, they love me down there. I'm sure I'm fine.
Well, that's not what they told me. They told me that you need to be out by the 1st. They know about that incident you lied about on Christmas Eve.
Really? Yeah, I just went down there and they didn't mention shit about that. You lying, little Gail? Very disappointing. You're welcome to go to the police with any information you got. Without any real evidence, I never held on at gunpoint, as far as anyone important is concerned.
I really need a place. And your rich family
They won't have me. You know that, because of who I am.
That's not true. We all found out your family loves you for some reason. You were lying.
Lying. Yeah. Like you were just now. Sorry, I guess I must have stooped to your level. You know what, Abigail? Why don't you just get the fuck out of my apartment? I am so sick of you coming in here, your broke, desperate ass, trying to act all superior just because my roommate needed a sublease? Just go. And you know what? While we're at it, why don't you just stop acting like you're so superior and better than everyone? Because you're not.
Is that really how you want to spend your last days here?
These aren't my last days here. Be careful, though. I didn't like Autumn either. Be careful where you leave your cat out. I didn't like it either.